brought to you in part by Cranbrook Toyota.
Today is the day where we finally get to take this Tacoma out snow wheeling and see how good it is or how much it's gonna suck. Honestly, I've got no idea. The bonus is it's got big axles and 40-inch tires, so the tires should help and the axles should help us not break. The downside is this truck is so much heavier than the Toyota pickup, and it doesn't have dual transfer cases, so we don't have the reduction gears that would be ideal for like the creepy crawly snow stuff. So yeah, we're heading out. We're gonna find out. It's either gonna suck or maybe it'll surprise me. I honestly have no idea. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, and don't cheat. Alright, so our goal for today is to get up VOR, which is a big like antenna tower thingy, not even a tower, just a big communications thing on top of a mountain. Usually the road to get up there is a pretty safe way to get into high elevation, like early in the winter if you want to try to find snow. So yeah, that's the goal.
I'm feeling a little nervous. I'm trying hard to be calm. I see Clinton. He's airing down. I'm cold.
Something in this truck that is immediately apparent is you need to think skinny thoughts. Like in the pickup, it was just so skinny, it fit up everything. And like, I feel like this, have to drive completely different lines and be so much more careful because it is so huge.
Forgot how much I don't like snow wheeling on hills. I do like it when it's all flat. Lots of snow. But cliffs? No.
Alright, so we're learning there is snow up here and it's really sugary crap, which means there's no traction, and well, in the Tacoma, we're fighting it. So we were at 10, and now I'm gonna go down to 5 and see how that works.
So close.
Tastes like pine.
Tastes like pine?
Some great snow.
It would appear that Trevor and I are both stuck. Very different situations, but we are both stuck.
Sometimes that's all it takes is that little bit.
Will you come help me out too?
Whoa! Yeah, there's an edge there.
Yeah.
That's what I was afraid of accidentally backing into here.
Yeah. Okay.
It's been a...
No, I'm going down here. Take it here.
Well, we made it to the top. That right there is the VOR tower. The snow conditions up here, like, it is pretty sugary, but it's not anything that is like crazy difficult yet. We still got a bit of time to wait until we get into like the really good snow wheeling snow. And I think we're off to a bit of a late start this year when it comes to the snow situation anyways. So hopefully in the near future, we'll really get to test out that Tacoma. Yeah, that switchback back there is gnarly. Trevor barely fit and it's completely off camber. And like, we're so wide. Unfortunately, we already nosed down this trail, so we're gonna air down to 0 and try to back up, but we might have to get winched out backwards. Well, I'm at 2 PSI, so let's try to back up. Worst case, we'll wait for the winch. We can actually hear Trevor coming. We'll wait for a winch because every time I try to reset, I back up, spin, I'm making a new ice path for me, and I really don't want to slide down this bank. So yeah, we'll just wait and play it safe.
Agreed.